What's up guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to generate a video from an image using Google Vids. So let's get started. Before starting this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe. First of all, you can see it's a Google Vids interface. I want to open this one again. From a Google Chrome browser you can click to Google Maps and then click to Google Vids to open this interface. So you can see it's here is a interface. You can select portrait, square, and I want to select square and then click to blank vid. Now it's a blank home page. Now first of all I want to generate an image. Click to image and write a prompt here to generate an image. I want to generate an image as like an old farmer, and select your aspect ratio. I want to select for square and then click to create. So image is ready. Just click on this image and then click to insert. Now if you want to generate a video from this image, just click to this icon like convert to video. Now you can see here is a new interface. Just describe anything to do. You can make a custom image to generate a video. From here click this icon and then animate an image. After clicking you can also upload from your device. Like if I cross this one and then click to add image, you can add image from your devices. I want to generate video using this image only. So describe anything to make a video. Like I want to describe for. After describing, just click to generate. Before that I want to change the aspect ratio. You can select portrait or landscape. I think landscape is better. So click to generate. It's done. Now you can see the result. To see the result, click to insert in new scene, and then you can see preview. After clicking the preview you can see the result. Now if you want to change the aspect ratio, just click video size and then square to landscape. Apply. Now resize this one like this. Now click to preview. So I think this is helpful for you. If you think this video is helpful for you, you can share, like and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Bye.